How much does an electrician make in Uzbekistan? The average electrician income in Uzbekistan is around 2,700 US dollars a year. After tax, that drops to $2,400, which leaves you with a take-home pay of roughly $200 each month. Electrician wages are noticeably higher in big cities, so if you work in Tashkent, you bring home about $2,800 after tax. That sounds like a lot more, but higher living costs in Tashkent quickly eat up the extra cash. If you're just starting out, entry-level electrician pay sits well below these figures, though your earnings go up quickly as you gain skills. While experience helps early on, your income can plateau unless you move up, which is why taking on extra training matters. Getting a technical degree helps you stand out, so it opens doors to better roles like electrical inspector or project supervisor. On top of that, pay depends on who hires you, because small local firms pay the least, while international companies offer the highest electrician salary in Uzbekistan.